Now is it pointing down or is it too far up? Down a little bit? Up, good. A little more down? Noah. Hold on, Noah. It is, it is. Oh my goodness, look at what we're about to hit. Oh, it stops. It stops. That's funny. That's funny. Here we go, Noah. You see it? Oh, check out. There's the mountain. There's Everest. That's the roller coaster. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you were so much younger when you went on that, too. Yeah. I guess they're talking about the deforestation going on. Oh. Check out that truck, Nicholas.
What if at the end there's this giant drop that we're getting really stuck?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. No way this guy does that. Oh, hold on, Noah. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that was fun.
I don't even know what's behind us. Okay. Oh. that tree was like.
Yeah,
Dirk, Noah! Oh. Noah. Noah, what do you see? Reno.
I think I broke my thigh.
Oh, there we go. We're done. We're done.